Another thing I like to keep protected is my AC. So Kylin Lucky also was gracious enough to send me an AC cover. So when the wind is blowing and there's debris flying everywhere or critters can get in the top of your AC and cause damage, this screen cover will protect it.
Morning breeze through the tall pine trees, sunlight dancing on the leaves, coffee steaming on the porch rail, slow listening to the world wake up below, birds chirping like a melody, nature singing back to me, no traffic noise, no city rush, just peace and quiet wrapped in love.
Comes with 4 bungee cords.
Watch a little wildflowers grow. Blue skies wide and the air so clean. Living in a simple dream. Wind chimes swaying soft and low. River water steady flow. Every little sound feels right. Nature got my soul feeling like butterflies coursing through the yard. Old dog sleeping without a guard. Grass moving underneath my feet. Sunshine turning the day so sweet. Yeah. Hear the bees humming by the tree. Gentle rustle in the leaves. Ain't no place that I'd rather be than outside, letting my spirit breathe. Outside in the daytime, go watch a little wildflowers grow. Blue skies wide and the air so clean. Living in a simple dream. Birds singing all around. Heaven in these natural sounds. Slow living with an open mind. Peace is what I came to find.
I'll show you guys a close up.
Kylin Lucky air conditioner covers are designed for both outdoor and indoor units, featuring durable 600D polyester Oxford fabric and exterior protection, and 21OD polyester cotton and indoor. These home AC covers are often priced between $15 and $30. They protect against water, snow, sunlight, and debris, utilizing elastic straps, drawstrings, and side slits for a secure fit and easy installation.
Thank you, Kylin Lucky, for giving me the opportunity to collab with you for protecting the things that I'll leave at home while I'm out camping. And to all my viewers, there will be a link in the description box below. If you value the things that you have and you leave behind, protect them while you're away. And thank you again for watching Adventures with Val and collaboration between myself and Kylin Lucky and how I protect the things at home base while I'm away camping.